What if I told you that Pi Network might have just secured a staggering $15 billion in funding, a massive amount for any project, let alone a cryptocurrency that has yet to officially launch? Speculation is running wild, screenshots are circulating, and everyone's asking, is this for real? Today, we're diving deep into this rumor to uncover the truth behind Pi Network's funding and what it could mean for its future. And if that wasn't enough, stick around as we break down Bitcoin's latest price movements and the potential impact of the Chinese stock market crash. This video is packed with information you won't want to miss. Hello, fellas watching around the world. Welcome back to another episode of the Zaki Crypto Update channel, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a Pi enthusiast, a Bitcoin believer, or just curious about what's happening in the markets, you're in the right place. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. And remember, this content is for educational purposes, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. In today's video, we'll be covering two major topics. First, we'll tackle the big news surrounding Pi Network and its rumored $15 billion funding. Has this much awaited project truly gained massive backing? Or is it all just a misunderstanding? Then we'll take a closer look at Bitcoin, which recently flirted with the $64K level but failed to sustain it. With global markets in flux, especially after the dramatic crash of Chinese stocks, we'll explore what could be next for Bitcoin and whether we're facing a major retracement or the start of another rally. Make sure to watch till the end because I'm also sharing my insights into how these events could shape the crypto landscape in the coming weeks. Let's jump right into it. Recently, rumors started circulating that Pi Network, the mobile mining cryptocurrency project, has received a whopping $15 billion in funding. You may have seen the buzz on social media with screenshots showing what looks like key business details of Pi Network. The source? A platform called Tracks and Scan, which helps investors discover trending businesses around the world. But here's the catch: Pi Network itself hasn't confirmed this funding. So what's the real story? To find out, I decided to investigate the claim myself by heading over to the TracksN website. And guess what? I found no such information about Pi Network securing $15 billion. It appears that these rumors were sparked by a misinterpretation of data on TracksN Scan, or even worse, just an image that's been taken out of context and circulated across social media. As of today, the official funding details for Pi Network remain undisclosed on the platform. That said, we do know that Pi Network has gained significant interest from notable investors. According to verified sources, three major players have backed the project designer fund, 137 Ventures and Ulu Ventures. While the exact funding amount remains under wraps, the involvement of these investors certainly adds credibility to Pi Network's long-term potential. Now, this brings us to the big question: why is there so much hype around Pi Network, and why does its funding matter so much? The answer lies in Pi's unique mobile mining mechanism, which allows everyday users to mine Pi coins from their smartphones with minimal resources. Since its inception, Pi Network has managed to gather millions of users globally, which is no small feat for any blockchain project. Many believe that once Pi launches officially, it could revolutionize mobile mining and bring blockchain technology to the masses. But until Pi is fully operational, it's all speculation. What we do know is that the Pi Network community is strong and growing, and investors are watching closely to see how the project evolves. The potential for disruption is real, but so are the risks, especially if the launch doesn't live up to expectations. Now let's shift gears to Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, which has had quite the roller coaster ride recently. After a bullish surge that saw Bitcoin briefly retesting the $64K level, the momentum quickly fizzled out, leading to a retracement. As of the last market check, Bitcoin has dipped to around $62.5K, and investors are starting to worry about what comes next. Could this be the start of a major correction, or is it just a temporary setback? To understand the current situation, let's take a look at some key technical indicators. The daily chart shows a clear bearish outlook for Bitcoin. Despite the excitement of last week when Bitcoin surged to $64K, it couldn't maintain the upward momentum. In fact, the recent 3.49% crash wiped out much of the gains from the previous days. As of now, Bitcoin's price action remains indecisive, fluctuating around the $62.5K mark. A closer look at the relative strength index reveals that it surged from around 50 to 65 but failed to breach the overbought zone of 70. This tells us that while there was some bullish activity it wasn't enough to push Bitcoin into a strong upward trend. Instead, it's hovering in a zone of uncertainty. One of the major reasons behind Bitcoin's struggle could be the broader market conditions, particularly in China. Over the past few weeks, the Chinese stock market has experienced a dramatic plunge after an impressive rally. China had announced aggressive stimulus plans in late September, leading to one of the most significant stock market rallies since 2008. However, as we've seen, what goes up must come down, and Chinese stocks like Alibaba, Baidu, and Bilibili have all taken major hits. The Hang Seng Index, which tracks the largest companies listed in Hong Kong, plummeted 9.5%, marking the worst performance since the financial crisis of 2008. This has caused ripples across global markets, including the crypto space. As investors panic and look for safer assets, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may experience increased volatility. Looking forward, the key level to watch for Bitcoin is $61.8K, which served as a strong support during the previous rally. If Bitcoin can maintain this level, we might see a bounce back toward the $64K resistance zone. However, if it breaks below this level, a deeper correction to the $57.9K to $57.2K range could be on the horizon. Long-term, the outlook for Bitcoin remains bullish, with some analysts like Philip Swift noting that global liquidity continues to hit all-time highs. This should, in theory, push Bitcoin to new highs as well, but in the short to medium term, Bitcoin faces several headwinds, including uncertain macroeconomic policies, geopolitical tensions, and risk-off sentiment due to global conflicts like the ongoing war between Iran and Israel. If Bitcoin can flip the $65K resistance into support, it could be a strong signal that bulls are ready to push the price to new all-time highs. A successful breakout above this level could see Bitcoin surge to $70K or even higher in the coming months. But for now, the market remains in a state of cautious optimism. Before we dive into the final thoughts, if you found this video informative and want more in-depth analysis on the latest crypto trends, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to enable notifications so you never miss an update. There's a lot more coming your way. So to wrap things up, we've explored the rumors surrounding Pi Network's alleged $15 billion funding and debunked the hype around it for now. We've also taken a closer look at Bitcoin's recent price struggles and the potential impact of the Chinese stock market crash on the broader crypto market. As always, the crypto space is full of surprises and anything can happen, but one thing's for sure, you'll hear all about it right here on the Zaki Crypto Update channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates. Also, check out some of my other videos for more insights into the crypto world. Stay informed, stay curious, and until next time, keep investing wisely.